Welcome to another episode of Cleaning Things with Paijan. Today we're actually going to be cleaning a pot and a pan. And we want to make sure that our food tastes the best, right? So you need to have very nice clean pans to have the best tasting food. So as you can see, there are some burn marks all the way around on this pan, and we want to try to get rid of that. Another way to look at it is even on the back, it's dirty. So this is actually a really nice pan, but because it looks burnt and dirty, we have a problem. So today I'm gonna introduce you to one of my friends. It's the barkeeper's friend. And barkeeper's friend can actually remove a lot of these things, even within a minute. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna put a little bit of water on the places that we wanna clean. So I'm putting it on here. And actually, to show you, I'm gonna do it on the back side because you'll be able to see how clean that this can get. So we'll do this, and it's a powder. So you put the powder on it. And then you do is you kind of smush it around and makes a nice paste all the way on this bottom of the pan. And you leave it on for about 1 minute. And after a minute, I'm actually going to be taking one of these green Scotch-Brite and I'm going to scrub with this. So I'll be going in circles. And I have another rag with me that I can use to wipe it off with. So I'll see you in. All right, we're back now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take my green Scotch-Brite, I'm gonna dip it in a little bit of water. I'm gonna start taking this off. I'm gonna go in circular motions to try to get that off. So there's a little bit of yellowing and browning that was happening. And I'm able to kind of like scrub it a little bit to get that off. You can see already it's starting to get really clean. Just to show you really quick. See, it's already starting to get nice and clean. So I'm going to keep doing this. And voila! You see here, it's sparkling clean on the bottom. And so I'll continue on to the rest of the pan and we'll be back with you shortly. All right, now we're back. And as you can see, I was able to finish all of it. So you can see how shiny that is now. It looks like a brand new pan. There's no more burn spots in the inside. And now when you cook things, you won't be tasting any burned items. So this is a clean and shiny new pan. So thanks for watching. This has been Cleaning Things with Paijan.